Good morning, everyone. Our topic for today is all about foundation of curriculum, with subtopic of philosophical, historical, and psychological foundation of curriculum. And my expected outcomes sa atong lesson bro. Describe the foundation of curriculum development, explain how its foundation influence the curriculum development. So, curriculum foundation is not just arbitrary or arbitrary. When we say arbitrary, it is something not just random choice sa pagpili sa mga foundations sa mga curriculum, but it is anchored in solid pillars or mga ligong nga foundation. So what is the foundation of curriculum? Who is the philosophical foundation? What is the historical? What is the sociological and psychological foundation of the curriculum? Who is the curricularist sa mga foundation sa curriculum of Florida. Now let's isgutan karon. First is philosophical foundation. So philosophical foundation, educators, teachers, educational planners, and policy makers must have philosophy. What's philosophy? Philosophy or strong belief about education and schooling and the kind of curriculum and the teacher's classroom. So philosophical foundation is the belief of education. Something belief about education. How are school for? What is the school for? Para sa eskwelahan. Para sa eskwelahan. How to teach? What is our important subject I teach? How should student learn? Muna yung makakabag sa mga philosophical foundations. Philosophical foundation is strong belief. Pinaka philosophical foundation, perennialism. So, perennialism and word nga perennial is something pangmatagalan or walang hanggan. Muna yung keyword sa perennialism. Pangmatagalan or walang hanggan. Yes. Muna yung isa, perennial. So, the aim of perennialism is to educate the rational person or to develop their critical thinking, mag-isip ng mabuti sa pinagagalit or something like that. So, develop their critical thinking and logical something sa development sa intelligence. And the role of the teacher is to assist the students to think with reason. So, ang kwala is teacher-centered. So, pinapagalaan teacher-centered.
Rational.
So, pinapagalaan type of learning ba? So, type of learning is teacher-centered. Where the teacher assess the students to think critically or critical thinking, higher order thinking skills. What's the hats? Higher order thinking skills. Where the teacher mag-use of Socratic method, question something in order para sa mga students nga to develop their intellect and to think critically and logically. Focus is classical subject. Now idea about classical subject, literary analysis, curriculum of learning. Now idea na actually wala yung mga classics and arts trend. Yes, so great books like Bible, grammar. Bigala recently ba sa ng mga Bible, bigala about sila. Kasi mga lago nila sa about yung sa beginning. Ang ikaduhan na philosophical belief sa philosophical foundation is essential lesson. Where is the word essential, mga important galing na skills nga. Kaya lang ito. It aims nga to promote their intellectual growth of learning becomes and competent. So the role of the teacher is teacher-centered pa rin, where the teacher is the only one who has authorities to the subject areas. And focus on is the essential skills of the 3 R's: writing, reading, arithmetic, mga essential subject. Only focus sa essential lesson. So ang trend is back to the basics. Basics ganit, back to the basics. reading, writing by arithmetic, which is mas pinaka-importante nga akong mga butan. No? Di ba? Dili ka ato sa line higher level of if dili ka kabalo magsulat, dili ka kabalo mag sa mga basics nga skills. So essentially sa belief nga dapat matunan ni sa mga bata. Mga bata kaya tinahanglan ni matunan sa mga basic skills. So alam mo na kung story ang kunting sa mga bata din ano yung mga asawa na so, si William Maglia na curriculars. So, progressivism. Progressivism, ang aim sa progressivism is to democratic social living. So, ang when we say democratic, isa ba? Pansin yung naman. Freedom. Hindi alam mga students nga or di respect ilang ideas ang tingin sa mga sharing, pero hindi na siya teacher-centered. Student-centered na siya. Pero hindi alam ang mga students na makihalubilo, collaborate, so, progressivism and belief. Hindi ba isang belief yung sabihin? They believe na mas makalearn daw mga students if ang mga bata sagol-sagol or something na halubilo, socialize, is about social living. So the teacher reads for growth and development of lifelong learnings. Hindi lang pang school, kundi makakita natin sa society outside school. And trains equal opportunities. The democracy is something na pero inaalam mga students for all, contextualized curriculum, and humanistic education. So si John Dewey ang panala, which is learning by doing. Reconstructionism, right? So, reconstructionism is belief na ang education makatabang sa paglabo sa society niya. They believe ngayon. So then, ang aim sa reconstructionism is to improve and reconstruct society through education. Reconstruct the society, improve the society, reconstruct through education. Education change. Education na mag-help sa about sa society. So ang role sa teacher is act as agents of change and reform. So teacher not just teaching about lessons sa schools, but teacher teach the students to develop ang students to become good citizen, to build the society, community, good society, good community. Nakatadapin. Historical foundation. Historical foundation. So what is this historical foundation? Where is curriculum developed coming from? Nadikan ang curriculum.
Apa ba?
Curriculum dekan. The historical foundation will show to us chronologically or anam-anam. So good andun sa dasan. Along the time. Historical foundation, morning person. Franklin Robert, 1876, 1956. And contribution or theories and principles, he started the curriculum development. Siya ang pinakaunang nag-develop sa curriculum. Curriculum as a science, emphasize the students' needs. Curriculum prepares learners for adult life, which is ganda mga students for adult something for the future something And objectives and activities should group together where tasks are clarified. So, curriculum sa una is objective and activities should group na sila when tasks and clarified. Kung kaya pinakauna na develop sa curriculum. Kadua is we read Carter's, which like Robin, he possessed that curriculum is science pa rin, based on science. Diba? Na may idea ba na? Wala itong may idea. Sige, ka na, mas malayo.
Babit, guro, dili siguro Robit.
Ha? Ramit, babit. Babit. He That curriculum is science and emphasize sa students' needs. Nag-emphasize sa mga students' needs. Objective and activities should match the other, but match dapat ang objective and activity. Subject matters and content relates to objectives. Dapat, yun dapat. And ang ikatlong person is William Kilpatrick. Curricula are purposeful activities which are child-centered. Hindi mo lang child-centered ang pag-abot ng William Kilpatrick. The purpose of the curriculum is child development and growth. He introduced the project methods where teacher and student plan the activities. Where di allow ng students sa pag-teach, pag-pakilahok sa school. Curriculum develops social relationship and small group instructions. Kaya sa theory sa constructionism. Sa theory, belief. Ang ikatlong person is Harold Frank. Curriculum should develop the whole child. It is child-centered pa rin. Learning by doing, which is naka-influence kaya kasi manahin. Sa to, John David. With the statement of objective and relates learning activities, curriculum should produce outcomes. He emphasizes that social studies and suggests that teacher plans curriculum in advance. Long life learning, di ba? So, ano tayo? Tingnan mo yung tao ulit. Si Police Caswell. So, ang curriculum is organized around social reconstructionism about social functions of things, organized knowledge and learning interests we have on. About sa mga needs of students and curriculum instructions and learning are interrelated, interconnected, and related. Basta connected siya, integrated. Curriculum is set of experience. Subject matters is developed around social functions and learning interests. Curriculum. Ralph Tyler, 1902, 1994. Curriculum is a science pa rin para sa first and second mga theory, mga person na nagbuhan sa curriculum. It is all about science gyapon daw. And extension of school's philosophy. It is based on student needs and interest preparing gyapon. Pero i-improve na. Nari lang i-improve. The curriculum is always related to instructions. Subject matters is organized in the terms of knowledge, skills, and values. Diyan ang isunod ko, EC. Siya ang, si Ralph Tyler ang curricularist. Curricularist. The process of emphasize the problem solving. Curriculum aims to educate generalists and not specialists. Christian?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yes! The hell that abda. Tama din. Second, contribute the theoretical and pedagogical foundation of concept development and critical thinking in social studies curriculum. Na-integrate ang mga social studies na po. Lugar na-integrate ang social study pero mas ipa-develop pa ganyan ang critical thinking about sa social studies na po. She helped lay foundation from the diverse student population. Nag-help na siya about sa mga diverse students every students are different. Have unique ways to learn something. Siya nag-develop na kasi help sa foundation of the diverse student population. And the last person sa kuan sa mga historical foundation is Peter Oliva, 1992 until sa 2002. He described curriculum change as curriculum change as cooperative endeavor. Engineering na kaya idea, cooperative endeavor. Cooperative endeavor. Wala.
Endeavor.
Teachers and curriculum specialist constitute the professional core of planners. Signifies the improvement is achieved through group activities, collaboration gihapon, learning by doing something inana, report, siya ang sa 1992 o 2012 professor ko, siya asked persons about sa group activity, describe curriculum change as cooperative. Now, let's talk about psychological foundations of curriculum. Psychological provides a basis to understand the teaching and learning process. It unifies element of learning process, question which can be served by psychological foundation of education. So, psychological foundation is based on understanding the teaching and learning process. It is the belief how the students can learn. How the students can learn about their process, about psychological foundations. Ano yung mga question yung mga tubag sa mga psychological foundation? Sa psychological foundation. How should curriculum be organized to be enhanced learning? What is the optimal level of the students may build? Participations and learning and endeavors contents of the curriculum. Ano yung mga tubag sa psychological foundation? After kabalo na tayo sa mga tubag. So, ikaw na associations and behaviorism, 3.1. He is the father of classical foundation theory, the SR theory. Kaya na ba mga SR theory?
Sama.
Ito galing na experiment sa dog. Experiment sa dog.
Sa dog?
Magbahog ang
Ako katong naitililing mo.
Naibahog, tapos makaribong beses ang kiro, di ba?
Oo.
Paano na siya? Review lang tanan siya sa atong pang discuss. So, hindi na siya expand.
Char.
Hindi na siya expand, ay review lang na siya. Based on the book. Pinakaw na sa pagkata kung bahog ang kuhaan mo kasi pagkarikot na sa ino. Tapos ikaduha, inugan ang bahog o bill. Pero ang ikatulo, bisag wala na bahog, pero mag bill lang. Balo na kirong nga, tingkaw na. Di ba na process. So the key of learning is early of life is to train them what you want them to become. Sa sugod pa lang, i-train na mo dahil sila kung sa'yo gusto mo na. Anad-anad diha ko siya. About anad-anad. Reading by doing diha ko siya. Anad theory, magbuhat ang theory ang anad theory. SR theory is foundation of learning practice called indoctrination. So, Ivan Pavlov ang foundation natin sa theory about SR. SR theory. And ika-dua is Edward Thorndike.
Break.
He championed the connectionism theory. Ano may idea connectionism theory? Wala mo idea?
Word connection.
Okay. He proposed the three laws of learning: law of readiness, law of exercise, law of effect. The special stimulus has a specific response. So, si Edward Thorndike, he developed the connectionism theory. He developed he is the foundation about that theory. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Sabi ka, Juan, si Robert, si Canby ba rin?
Oh.
And then 16 and 2002.
Any-
He proposed the hierarchical learning theory. Learning follows hierarchy. Kung may yung tinatag hierarchy, yung sa gana na, kung may yung tag hierarchy, sa gana na,
Hierarchical learning theory, that means ang overall knowledge for ito lang na ay so handle sa hierarchy.
yeah, it's about own daw. Which is basic, magkaan daw sa magkaan.
Spiral propagation.
Yeah. Nag-propose siya about
Ay, dilis pa.
si Robert Gagmi ba?
Dili, mura kay expire application. Mura siya.
About
Yan,
hierarchy. Behavior is based on basic prerequisite conditions, introduce tasking, or tasking, simulation of objectives. And Jen Piaget. Yeah, Jen Piaget or theories of Jen Piaget. Cognitive development. Saka ito nga, theory of belief.
5 stages.
Linealism.
Ang
Jan Louis sa Sekoan.
Kung sa pag-isip si Kuan, Jen Dewey. Si Jen Piaget mo Kuan. O, linealism.
Yes!
Yes, the cognitive development has stage from birth to maturity. So si Jen Piaget ang nagkuhan ang sensory motor stage.
preparation
About devil. Siya ang nakapanala. Kanang nakapanala. Theory about level. Every levels kung pila ilan sa mga students sensory motor stage. Limited or limit sa ilang learning. Sila dali makasagot. Something about pre-operational stage, 2 to 7 age. Concrete operation stage, 7 to 11 age. And formal operation, 11 to upward. Si Jen Piaget ang unang theory sa ni Jen Piaget. Every level sa understand sa mga bata or sa mga and dapat isumpay. Accommodation, learning, modification, and adaptations. Adaptation no, sa every level sa mga bata. About their age. Nakalantaman kung adapt lang sa dali mong adapt or limit sa ilang pag-adapt sa learning. Equilibration, balance between previous and later learnings. And ikalawa, live by God's will. Cultural transmission and development. Cultural, about cultural, good. Transmissions. Social, society, development stage. Where environment maka-affect hapon sa pag-learn sa mga bata. Children could, as a result of their interactions about their society, develop through interaction about society, gawas inside, outside in the classroom, actually perform and certain cognitive action arriving at development of the stage. Learning precedes developments. Which learning daw is about development, di ba? Ano ba sa mga limit ka mga po? Social cultural development theory. So he believed that ang mga tao is baka ang environment maka-epekto sa pag-develop sa mga bata. About sa pag-grow. Nalagat ito gusto nila. Continuation ka muna sa cognitive information process of theory. Ang case of learning sa Dave Vygotsky is pedagogy creates learning process that lead to development. The child is active agent in our educational process. Ang estudyante ang banani, ang observer, ang sabana sa about society ang maka-learn about their process. Basta ambot kami na siya. Nagkakita din sila. Howard Gardner.
Gardner multiple intelligence.
Diba sa atin?
Gardner multiple intelligence is humans have several different ways of processing information, and these ways are relatively independent of one another. There are 8 intelligences: work,
Linguistic, logical, mathematical,
cultural,
cultural,
interpersonal, intrapersonal, and naturalism.
Si Howard Gardner is support siya atong foundation ang gali about atong inahay nga skill sa mga bata. Pinundong ba mo? Wala akong pinundong. So, support si Gardner sa multiple intelligence about education. So, di believe na ang students, ang mga bata, may klase-klase nga intelligences about linguistic, mathematical, di ba? Physical, spatial, social, kinetics, interpersonal, and naturalistic.
May file mo.
So, Howard Gardner introduced niya about the intelligences of the every learner. So, Daniel Goleman. Emotion contains the power to affect actions. Emotions contains the power to affect action, di ba? Daniel Goleman, they believe that emotion dapat kaya effect ito effect sa action. Emotions. Yes, emotion, stress something na, di ba kung ma-stress na ako, effect sa atong action. Siya ang pangalan ko sa cognitive information processing. Daniel Goleman siya. Isa siya sa mga foundation or siya bilang nagkawa sa foundation. Siya. He called as emotional
Quotient.
Wala pa yung mga G-score na po. Paspasan na nato. So, learning experience is explained in terms of wholeness of the problem. Basta natin din?
So, human beings do not respond to isolated stimuli, but to an organization or pattern of stimuli. Case the learning is complex and abstract.
Nakalis na tayo.
Learners analyze the problem, discriminate between essential and non-essential data, and perceive relationships. Learners will perceive something in relation to the whole. How they perceive is related to their previous experiences.
It is about kanang reflection. Ako sila magaling, no? Diba? Under ang pagod sa present. Nari ko na to, ha? Learning explained in terms of wholeness of the problem. Human beings do not understand initially stimulus nor organize the pattern of stimuli. Ang case of learning sa ating theory is learning is complex and abstract. It is complex and abstract. Learning analyze the problem. It is about analyzation. Diba?
Ay, ng 4.
Practicate on discriminate between essential data, perceive relationship about relation, experience. Learners will perceive something in relation to the whole. How the perceive is related to previous experience. Abraham Maslow. Ano yung tao na nagtunga galing sa dagat? Ano siya? He advanced as the self-actualization theory. Ano may idea wala yung self-actualization theory? Wala?
Basic theory of human is?
Oo, sakto na siya. Ako na siya. Classical theory of human needs. Di ba? Ito? A child whose basic needs are not meet will not interested in acquiring knowledge of the world. So, daw, students, ang basic needs daw sa mga students is not hindi na ma-acquired. If there is interested ang mga buta. Diba? Dahil kabalo tayo, interested na natin kung muna galit na mag-learn, diba? Mas willing na mo learn. He put importance to human emotions based on love and trust. If we love sa atong mga gibuhat, diba? Kinahanda. Way of learning to produce a healthy and happy learners. Can accomplish, grow, and actualize his or her human self. It is about her self. So si Abraham Maslow ang Next!
Carl Rogers. Wala ko.
Carl Rogers. Therapeutic learning. He established, counseling, introduced procedures and methods of facilitating learning. About facilitating learning si Kuan yan siya ang nagwala ni. Establish about facilitating learning. Children perceptions which are highly individualistic influence their learning and behaviorism.
Oh, yes. Next.
Key of learning ani is
Curriculum is concerned with process, not product.
Not
Personal
products.
needs, not subject matter, psychological meaning, not cognitive scores. Oh, okay. Next.
bakakan. So social foundation of curriculum na pod da. Last na ni siya, murag na lang ulit upat ko. Family and society. Society as a source of change. Or environment. Society is as a source of change. Schools as of change. Sa as na-discuss na ito na is ang students or schools is ang mag-help sa mga students mag-help sa ang school is the keys to help the students to become better. Mga social person, individuals to help the society. But society as a source of change na po. And the family, knowledge as an agent of change. Knowledge of schools, knowledge of society, environment, something like that. Ang sa itong natpuan, schools and society. Imal, sa ni Durkheim,
Emily Durkheim.
Emily din. Hindi nga lang. Iba lalaki para lalaki. Influence of society and social context and education. Things that surround individuals can change, develop in their behavior. So ang mga tao daw na nakasurround sa tao or sa bata o person, learners, makadevelop daw sa ilang behaviors. Ako na silang family. Sama ni nga theory. Consider two fundamental elements which schools and civil society. Schools and society gihapon about schools and society is makapig sa mga bata o learners, something sa mga tao. Alvin Toffler, educations as means of shaping the person as society through critical reflections. Look, mali na and society through critical reflections and conscientious. So education means shaping a person and society through critical reflections about their experience about their reflections sa society. Teacher use questioning, Socrates, and the problem